Marhaban, assalamu alaikum. Mabuhay mga guys, it's me Diana all the way from Saudi Arabia and welcome to my channel Diana TV. So for today's video guys ay i-share ko sa inyo ang ilang mga posisyon sa trabaho na ginagamit dito sa Saudi Arabia. So wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's begin. Number 1, teacher, muallim. Number 2, doctor, tabib. Number 3, cook, Thaba'ka. Number 4, driver, sawak. Number 5, helper, khadama. Number 6, engineer, muhaddis. Number 7, nurse, mumarid. Number 8, manager, mudir. Number 9, worker, Amil. Number 10, police, Shorta. Number 11, employer, Kafil. Number 12, king, Malikh. So that's it for today's and hope you like this video and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ma'asalama. Shukran jasilan. Bye. God bless.